Hello guys, welcome to my channel Junction ID Presents Technology. Today I am going to show you how to disassemble Alienware Gaming 15R4 laptop. This is the service tag area and express service code area. First we have to remove the screws, bottom based screws, to access the bottom cover. We have to remove all screws. We have to remove this access cover to access the base cover. Use a plastic stripe to remove it. This is a very costly laptop. We have to take care of it. Okay, there is two screws. This is called hinge cover, so we have to remove it also to access the bottom base cover. See guys, there is 4 locks, so we have to remove it very cautiously. I have removed it. This is the battery connection. We have to remove the battery connection first. This is hard disk. There was 3 screws So I have removed 3 screws to remove the hard disk. Disconnect the hard disk connection. This is very tight. I have to use a plastic stripe to remove the connection. Okay, I have removed the hard disk drive. Those connections are torn light connection. This is keyboard connection, backlight connection, keyboard connection. We have to remove SSD. This is M.2 NVMe SSD. Then remove the Wi-Fi card. Remove the connection from Wi-Fi card. Remove the wire. So now we have to remove all screws. There are too many screws to remove, because we have to remove all screws to access the base cover, to remove the base cover. Still there is a screw. Okay, now we have to remove the locks by using the plastic stripe to open the base cover. and this is the base cover. This is the battery. There is only one screw to remove the battery. This is battery capacity and battery type number. There is some screws to remove the heatsink, so we are not going to remove the heatsink right now. There is some screws to remove the motherboard. This is DC port and this is DC connection. We have to disconnect it from the motherboard. Okay, there is 3 screws, motherboard screws. We have to remove the screws to remove the motherboard. This is the speaker connection. This is touchpad connection. The motherboard is not coming out. I think there is some connection to be removed. Yeah, there is a display connection and power connection to be removed. This is the display connection. Disconnect it and disconnect the power connection. And this is logo light connection. The board should be coming out now. Yeah, there is one more connection which is input output connection, input output board connection. Okay, finally the board is came out. This is the board front view and this is the back view of the motherboard. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you want more videos like this tutorial video, please subscribe to my channel and get notified.